Good morning, all of you. This is Rachana Saxena from Faculty of Education, Tirthankar Mahavi University, Moradabad. I'm here for my next lecture. It is all about the teacher education, need and importance of it. Here, we have already discussed about the teacher education, what is it and how many types of it, and the aims and objectives of teacher education in my last lectures. Now, in this lecture, I will discuss the earnest need and the importance of teacher education. Teacher education is a crucial component of the education system, especially for the quality of education and the overall progress. It involves the training and the development of individuals to become competent and effective educators. This comprehensive process includes both pre-service and in-service training, focusing on equipping teachers with the necessary knowledge, skills, and attitudes to foster students' learning and development. It is essential for developing skills and the well-skilled educators who can significantly impact students' learning and success. This presentation explores the need and the importance of teacher education. So here are some points by which I can explore this. The very first point, enhancing teaching quality. Teacher education enhance the teaching quality of the teacher in the classroom learning. So here are some things in which we enhance the teaching quality. The very first point, professional competence. Teacher education ensure the educators possess the professional competence required to deliver high quality education among the students. It should be inclusive. It provides teachers with a solid foundation in subject matter knowledge, pedagogical skills, and the instructional strategies. The competence enables them to create effective lesson plan, manage classroom efficiently, and utilize various methods to cater for the diverse learning needs. Quality of education is also necessary. Teacher education helps them to adapt high quality education for them. Now the next one, pedagogical skills. Effective teaching goes beyond subject knowledge. Teacher education program focus on developing pedagogical skills including understanding child psychology, creating engaging and learning environments with the new innovative teaching techniques. These skills are very essential to create a positive and productive classroom atmosphere. Now the next is continuous improvement. Teacher education encourages a culture of continuous improvement. By the continuous development of the students, teachers stay updated with at least education research, trends, and new technologies. This continuous learning process helps them to refine their practice and adapt new educational landscape. They go for the seminar, they go for the workshop, they go for the online courses, refresher courses, and they refine their knowledge by these. Now the next point is addressing diverse learning need. In any type of classroom, the students are totally diverse, totally different from each other. Everybody is having their special need, special background, special learning disabilities, learning difficulties, and so many things. Modern classrooms are diverse with varying abilities, backgrounds, and learning style. Teacher education prepares them to address these diverse needs by promoting inclusive educational practice. By this practice, they can support all type of students with their special need. Now the next is cultural competence. Teacher education also focus on the importance of cultural competence. Teachers are trained to understand and appreciate cultural diversity. Everyone is coming from various cultural diversities. Like someone is coming from particular area, someone is coming from particular area, but the classroom is only the thing where they read, they learn, they write under a rule with one positive way. So this competence is crucial for promoting equity and social justice in education. Sorry. Student-centered learning. In the ancient time, our education system was teacher-centered. But now, by the passage of time, the education is child-centered, student-centered. A key aspect of teacher education is a shift from student-centered learning. Teachers are trained to focus on the need, interest, and abilities of them, creating a more engaging and effective learning environment. This approach encourages active participation, critical thinking, and problem solving skills among them. Child centered learning, child centered education promote a confidence among them. They are going to be a good person, a good personality, a good human being in their future life. So, it is the main duty of the teachers to train them. Promoting reflective practice. The very first point is self reflection. Reflective practice is a thing which is also an essential part of teacher education. They are encouraged to reflect their own teaching methods, their own assessment tool, their own identity areas for the improvement, for the refinement. Self reflection helps them to become more and more aware of their strengths and weaknesses. They are enabled to know what is good for them and what is bad for them, and what are the things on which they have to be more practicable. They have to more practice. So this is also a part of reflective practice. Now the next is feedback. Teacher education program incorporate feedback mechanism such as peer evaluation, mentor observations, and student feedback. These mechanisms provide teachers with valuable insight into their own teaching practice. It is also very helpful to make them necessary adjustment and to enhance their effectiveness. They know, suppose if a student is providing a negative feedback for the teacher, sometimes it is very helpful, always helpful to know that is the weakest area of my work and I have to do on this. So feedback mechanism is also very important part of teacher education. And by adapting bad feedback and good feedback, it enhances the critical thinking into the mind of the teachers. Action research. Teachers are trained to conduct an action research in their own classroom. It is a systematically investigation on the educational practices and by which we can implement changes based on evidence. And this approach empowers them to contribute the knowledge base of education and continuously improve their teaching practice. By the action research, they are actually investigating the main issues, the difficulties, the disabilities, and the educational issues which are coming like a hindrance into the good outcome of the students. Next point is integrating technology in education. Here are so many things: digital literacy, blended learning, and technology integration. Digital literacy. It is the time for digital age. So, it is not possible to touch teacher education without it. Teacher education places a very strong emphasis on digital literacy. Teachers are here to learn effectively use of technology to enhance their learning process. This includes various digital tools, online resources, and educational software into the classroom, creating more and more interactive and engaging learning experiences. Like online resources, what are they? They are e-Pathshala, they are MOOC, they are SWAYAM, they are NPTEL. And digital tools, they can be smart class, smart board, and education software. So many education software are here, which a teacher can use into the classroom to create an interactive atmosphere for them. Next is blended learning. Blended learning, which combines traditional face-to-face instruction with online learning, is a growing trend in education. Teacher education program prepares educators to implement blended learning models. Like, I'm giving you my things and I can do face-to-face instruction by the digital platform, and I'm providing my things. That is the traditional way, and face-to-face the instruction is going on by a digital platform. So this is also the part of online learning. So then the both things are blend. So this is called blended learning. Teleconferencing is a part of blended learning. Zoom classroom and Google Classroom, this is also a part of blended learning. Technology integration. Teachers are trained to integrate technology into various aspects of education, from lesson planning to the delivery, from the assessment to the communication. Each part of teaching, each step of teaching can be a part of technology. We can include any technology tool. We can include any technological strategies in it. Right? If you are delivering a lecture, you can use digital platform. You can use a smart class, like assessment. You can make a Google Proform and you can provide one word answer by it. So this is also a technology integration. This integration not only enhances student learning but also prepare them for the technological demand for the modern world. Can you suppose education without online platform? Come on, I can bring you in the COVID period. We did our learning by the digital platform without touching any hand. So that is also an important and essential part of technological integration in any type of education, whether it is teacher education, whether or other. Now the next is fostering ethical and professional standard. When I talk a profession, one thing into my mind, and this is professional ethics. Teacher education also emphasizes the development of professional ethics and values for them. They are trained to uphold integrity, responsibility, and respect in their professional conduct. It is a very responsible task. It is a very responsible post to handle all the type of students on one ethical platform. We expect an ethical personality from a teacher. So professional ethics are very important part in any in teacher education. This ethical foundation is crucial for building trust and credibility in the teaching profession. If your teacher is an ethical person, there will be a good trust and credibility into you and he or she. Commitment to student welfare. Teachers are always responsible. This is the 24 hours duty for well-being and holistic development of their student. Teacher education program instill a sense of duty and commitment for the welfare of the students. They can encourage them to create a safe, supportive learning environment in the classroom. Always remember, we learn manners from a home, but we learn ethics, we learn values from a teacher. If a teacher is having a good character and conduct and have ethical values, the students must have. The student will have to be a good person in the classroom. Adherence to educational policies. Teachers are educated on the importance of adhering to educational policies and regulations. This knowledge ensures the teachers operate within the legal and ethical framework of the educational system to promote accountability and transparency. All the rules and regulations for the teachers, they must be accountable, they must be transparent. No biased things will be there. No biased things will be operate them. No, this is not ethical. The ethical thing is the education system should promote accountability and transparency. Now the next is supporting lifelong learning and professional growth. Continuous professional development in the field of education is constantly evolving. The teacher education promote a commitment to lifelong learning. A teacher will never be retired from learning. A teacher is also a learner from the first breath to the last breath. Continuous professional development opportunities such as workshops, seminar, research papers, and advanced degrees help them to stay updated. Leadership and mentorship. Teacher education programs also prepare them for leadership and mentorship role. They are the mentors. The swim is just like a raw mud. The teacher is a person who mentor them into a good personality. Experienced teacher can serve as mentor to novice teachers, providing guidance and support. Leadership training equip teachers with the skills needed to take on administrative roles and drive educational improvement. Collaboration and networking. Teacher education foster a collaboration and supportive professional community. They are encouraged to collaborate with the colleagues, with the students, and the other communities. They can share resources, they can engage in professional network. This collaboration enhances teaching practice and promote a culture of collective growth and development. In the concluding part, I'm summing up these things into my some points. The need and the importance of teacher education cannot be overstated. It play always a vital role in enhancing teaching quality, addressing diverse need, and promote reflective practice integration of the technology. The ethical standard and the lifelong learning will be the part of it. By making them with the necessary knowledge, skills, and attitudes, teacher education ensure that the educators are well prepared to inspire and educate future generations, ultimately contribute to the betterment of the society. It is essential to develop skilled teachers who can significantly impact the learning and the success of the students. If you are having any question in your mind, you are feel free to ask, and thank you for the giving time. Thank you so much.